What you guys, got another video here on 10 free cool themes for Windows 10. I get asked all the time about cool wallpapers and themes and where you can get them from. Now Windows 10 store, you can get a lot of cool themes from there which have really cool wallpapers in them, which are high definition and they look absolutely awesome. And I'm going to show you some of the favorites that I use on my system, and you can get them for free inside Windows 10. Now first off, what you're going to need to do is right click and go to personalize on your Windows 10 desktop, then go over to the left hand side here where you'll see themes. Then you want to click on just above where it says apply a theme and get more themes in Microsoft Store. Click on there and you will see a ton of themes which you can download for free and install. So I'm going to show you some really cool ones here which I use and which I like. Now let me know in the comment section below which ones you like and which ones you found. And the good thing about these is you don't have to patch the system to get them to work. They're designed to work with Windows 10 as is. So let's go ahead and click on one of these and I'll show you how to install them. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do. Just click on them and you can see this is the World National Parks. Go to where it says free get and all you can do is click on there. It gives you a description here of what you can expect inside your theme pack, and this is of New Zealand as you can see here, and a few other places around the world. Tells you how many images are there and stuff like that. So all you need to do is click get and then apply, and then you can apply that to your theme setup. And I'm just going to click on this one and allow that to apply. It's pretty straightforward stuff. There we go. And once you've done that, you can now take a look at the desktop and it should display some really cool wallpapers. And it's a really cool way of getting a really nice look to your desktop. And you can see here, I'm just going to change some of these wallpapers just to show you what they look like. And that's basically it. That's how you can get really cool themes for your Windows 10 system. Now let me go ahead and install another one and I'll show you some other ones that I like. Colourful Birds is pretty nice. Again, just going to quickly install this and show you what it looks like. And again, this one does change the theme of your OS as well. And look at the colour vibrancy on those birds. Absolutely awesome. And these are really sort of cool pictures. Now, depending on what sort of flavour you like to have your desktop background to look like. If you like vibrancy in colours and animals, then they've got plenty of those on there. If you like scenic views and stuff like that, they've also got those on there as well. So that is the Colourful Birds, and there's loads more images in there. Now we're going to take a look at Lakeside as well, to get onto the get button here and apply that to your desktop. There we go. So let's take a look, and again you get some nice scenic views. Just go next here. And again, this saves you from having to hunt around on the internet for those really beautiful images that you may want to just quickly display on your computer. You can see they look absolutely awesome. Let me just quickly show you some other ones that I like as well. I'm not going to go through all of the images on every single theme pack because obviously we will be here all day. This is another one, London Architecture. And this one's pretty nice, and this is all about London, and if you click on it, it will tell you exactly how many images there are. I think there's 17 or something of London images, and there you go. So if you want some cool London images, they actually have the theme pack on the Windows 10 store which you can use. Now that's the Barclays Centre there, Barclays building. Next, and some of these old buildings are absolutely awesome. I used to be a stonemason many years ago and I used to work on a lot of these old buildings, and there we go. There's the something to do with the flood things for the Thames, London Bridge. Now the West Coast and New Zealand is another one that you can look at. They've got plenty of Australia and New Zealand and ones like that up on the Windows Store as well. And again, you're just going to get some beautiful images here, and also some of them are theme based as well. So pretty cool stuff. There we go. So I'll just quickly flick through some of these so you can see them. Now that's probably an old prehistoric tree that's in the sea there. And that was the Australian one here. So we've got New Zealand. Now we've got some Australian ones. So I'm going to go down and apply this to the desktop so you can see it. And some nice visual images there as well, as you can see. So that's basically how you can get some pretty cool images and themes without any problems at all. Autumn colours, so if the autumn colours is your thing, you can see this will change your theme on your Windows system as well. And there's some really vibrant colours on these ones. And I just normally change these up every now and again, depending on what season we're in. Sometimes it's just nice to change the background. I am changing and rotating on a regular basis, so I don't always get the same background. Now, if space is your thing, Cosmic Beauty is another theme that you can get up on the Windows Theme Store. And this is just images from the Hubble telescope, which people have made into wallpapers. And you can see here, you'll be able to see the galaxy and stars and stuff like that. It looks absolutely awesome. So that one was Cosmic Beauty. Another one is this Baffin Island. I'm just going to quickly install and apply this. Now, depending on what your sort of taste is, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some themes up there for everyone. There you go. And I do like these sort of scenic look. And also this is Bridging the Gap. This is another one. And this is basically 18 images of bridges and lakes with bridges and stuff like that. Looks absolutely awesome. So I'm just going to quickly install this one. And you can remove them as well if you don't want them anymore. I think that's, is that San Francisco? But yeah, awesome. So let's just flick through some of these here. I've got a feat of engineering to do that. It's amazing. And bridges are really sort of stunning things to look at, because the architects that actually design them, or design any sort of bridge or building, it just amazes me how they do it. And it looks absolutely fantastic. So that's basically about it. That's how you can download 10 free cool themes for Windows 10. There's plenty more up there. These are 10 favourites which I like on the Windows Store. Let me know what yours are in the comment section below. Hope this one's been useful to you. My name is Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Bye for now. Now, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.